Name is Josef Fischer. I was born and raised in Germany, been in the US since I'm a teenager, studied my career in finance, and then moved over to IT services in 2008, and was the one of the founders of Behaim in 2012, and have been running the company as CEO for the past 13 and a half years now. We standardized on TIBCO in 2005 because TIBCO was agnostic. Its main product focus was data integration. And over the past 2 decades, TIBCO technology has stood the test of time, in production and mission critical system. And so Behaim, alongside TIBCO, continues to innovate with that, right? Looking at new TIBCO products, looking at better solutions for our clients. And in the end, it all comes down to people, right? The right people at Behaim and at TIBCO delivering the best products, the best solutions for our clients' needs. And that's really what has made the difference over 20 plus years at this point in this partnership. It's the people and it's the innovation that happens at Behaim and at TIBCO. Behaim grows organically, so we invest in our people tremendously. We bring in junior developers and grow them over the years inside of the company. And that's really what makes the biggest difference. But we also look to innovate, right? We look at the latest trends. As with the TIBCO partnership, we look at new TIBCO products and also try to steer new TIBCO products depending on what we're seeing at the clients, what their needs are. But it's not only about TIBCO. There's a lot of other technologies that come into the mix when you're deciding to deliver integration and middleware, such as cloud, such as containerization, infrastructure as a code, DevOps, and as well as open source components. And all of those we mix together to find the right approach for specific clients' appetites in terms of more aggressive, conservative, more cloud focused, more on-prem focused, more automation focused. And Behaim has also developed solutions on a lot of them. So really, it's two things. It's people and innovation, which has helped us stay ahead of the game. AI is here to stay, right? That's an absolute clarity at this point. And Behaim also over the past year and its effort has received a European Union grant for the next 2 years to expand on its AI technologies. So really, we're putting a lot of focus into AI and how it fits into integration and the middleware space. We focus on AI technologies in 3 ways. One is for developers. So how do we make developers more efficient to deliver integration technologies through vibe coding? And vibe coding allows you to direct an AI to code for you, but you need to understand what you're looking at and you need to help the AI deliver the best code for you. And that's where Behaim comes in with its 20-year integration experience. The second one is end-to-end visibility. So how do we help our client look across the TIBCO platform, across all its data? And that data can be in a file, that can be an EDI, that can be through various integration hops to its backend systems and then back out. So end-to-end visibility through MCP servers that allow natural language to query that data is one of Behaim's big focuses. Last but not least, on the third focus is our AI-assisted migration tool for TIBCO's platform, because TIBCO's platform is not only a modern technology play, it's also a licensing play. So the TIBCO platform license allows you to deploy unlimited TIBCO license. And so what a lot of clients are doing are standardizing on the TIBCO platform because the cost is already fixed. And so moving from other enterprise data integrations over to TIBCO allows for strong ROIs right off the bat. And so being able to migrate automatically and quickly through Behaim's AI-assisted migration tool, we've seen a lot of use cases around it and a strong ROI for our clients. So those are the 3 ways Behaim focuses and tries to bring AI technology into the integration market where we see real value. But it starts with our clients believing in Behaim and believing in Behaim solutions to give us the ability to use TIBCO as well as other technologies to deliver these mission critical solutions that then get recognized. And then secondly, obviously, it's all about Behaim's team, right? It's about Behaim's team to dig in deep and deliver, when it comes down to it. And so those two things, the client trust and Behaim's team being able to deliver day in and day out, really is what has earned these excellence awards over the years. We continue to invest in our people and really train them from within. But when we put a client team together, we don't allow for any extra weight, for any extra people, and we run it as lean as possible. And that allows us to stay quick, nimble, as well as deliver enterprise-grade solutions, because the people we put forth have that experience, that long-term experience, and the enterprise, let's say, knowledge to deliver these agile, quick solutions at a mission-critical level. This has made us very competitive against established consultancies and incumbents because of this focus to run relentlessly lean over the years. The one challenge I want to pinpoint is that what we've seen is that clients try to solve all their problems with the latest technology, right? But that typically does not work, because you need, an approach of multiple technologies to come together. And modernizing does not mean to change everything, but it means about leveraging the systems that have worked for you, that work for your company, for your market, for your demand, and then adding modern software, modern solution, modern concepts, modern architecture around that to supplement and make clients deal with their new challenges faster. As the TIBCO platform came out, we wanted to make the TIBCO platform more accessible, right? With services, with our solutions, but also with our TIBCO analysis documentation tool called MakeDoc. And so we worked with TIBCO Engineering to bring MakeDoc to the TIBCO platform. And what it does is it allows TIBCO's clients, Behaim's clients, to see all of their TIBCO code inside of the TIBCO platform automatically. And so it just jumpstarts the value they get out of moving to the TIBCO platform, because then as their code gets into it, they can leverage all the TIBCO platform tools around it. Integration continues to evolve. It continues to demand new things. And really, we're going to do what we've been doing, right? And that is, it starts with investing in our people, right? That's the main value add that Behaim can bring to its clients. So we're going to keep doing that and keep growing from within and train our people, train them in the Behaim way. The second main focus will be to continue to invest in our AI capabilities, right? So making our developers and the clients' developers faster through AI coding. And then we're going to, continue to evaluate new solutions as they come, right? So we continue to analyze new trends, continue to look at what's coming to the market, and then making sure that it's the right time to introduce that to our clients, to their solutions, seeing what's best for them and their current market demands. We're going to make TIBCO's platform and TIBCO's new modern technologies really that have stood the test of time more accessible to our clients, right? And so that means by leveraging 20 years of Behaim services know-how in TIBCO technologies, and then leveraging Behaim's AI solutions to make the TIBCO platform more accessible, right? And that is through the MCP servers that deliver end-to-end visibility across the platform, across all of your data that flows into it, through files, through EDI, through data integration. And then also, again, making it easier for clients to standardize on the TIBCO platform and really using that AI-assisted migrator tool to standardize all your integration needs on the TIBCO platform, locking in that license ROI and getting real savings by moving from other enterprise platforms to TIBCO.